Okay, so now let's see how best we can continue with a cumulative record. So let me format this. I'll come to layout and yes, I align it this particular format. Then I'll do same for this. Yeah. So with this, I need to take this one off because we'll be using something different. I'll make this sub. Okay, let me just maintain it as Ghanaian language because I might need it someday. So let me go look for my Excel. Then I'm on my cumulative record. So what I'll do is I'll just copy this. Okay, so once it's copied, I'll come and paste it in Word. Control V to paste. So we just have to be patient. It will be pasted, then we work on it. So the objective here is to generate the transcript of academic record as the student progresses from one level to the other. So as soon as the terminal report for, let's say, term 5 is generated, automatically we should have the transcript from term 1 to term 4 attached to the report. So that is, the essence of what we are doing here. Okay, so let's see what I have here, because this is nice. So let me delete this. Then we use our Microsoft Word skills to edit this. So we use Vedana 11. Okay, so I'll do same for this. I'll make it 11. Now let's see how best we can edit this. So I'll move this one here. I think I'll need to insert another column to the left. Okay, so this will basically be my serial number. I'll need to serial number. As I go on, new ideas come. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 11 subjects. Good. Then what do? Take it back like this. Then I wouldn't need these guys. Good. So this is gone. I hit my escape. Then what do? Move it back in like this. Then I change this to sub 1. So it should be sub 1. Then I go through to sub 11, sub 2, sub 3, sub 4, sub 5. And we are doing this because this is our template. So when you go to Excel, then you properly name your subject, then you come in, make the necessary change here for the terminal report. So sub 9, sub 10, and sub 11. Good. Now let's see, I'll need to separate this. So once I position my insertion point, I'll go to split table. So this is entirely different from what is up there. Then what do? I close the gap like this. Good. So what I'll do is I'll put 100 there, 0.00, so that to 2 decimal places. So I'll paste it across so that I can get equal column width. Control V to paste, Control V to paste. So they are all part of the design. So what I'll do is just click, drag. Okay. Okay. When this one comes, This one also comes. This one also comes. This is there. This is also here. And now do another 100.00, 100.00, 100.00. So I can actually shift this one a bit to this right. Okay. Then I'll just adjust it and move on to the next. Move on to this. Oh, no. You know to highlight. As you highlight it, defeats the purpose. Then I'll come into the ruler and bring this one closer. Okay. So I have something like this. Then probably I'll bring this one here. Oh, undo. Can I click on this and bring this one down? Okay. Go to eraser. This is off. This is also off. Oh. Didn't mean to do that. Ah. Okay. Then I can pull this somewhere here. So I need to insert a row above. I just realized I've omitted this, so I'll cut this. I'll paste it. And what do? I'll do a merge cell. Then I'll merge and come and merge this as well. And do the same for this. Then what do? I'll just come in. Okay, I'll just do GHS1, GHS2, GHS, so this can be SHS. GHS2, GHS3, GHS1. Okay, so what it means is I don't need this. So I'll need to delete row. I'll insert one above again. So this will be my school year. So 2020-2021, 2021-2020, 2022. Then I have 2022-2023. Good. So I wouldn't need this. So this row should go off. Good. So now I have this. Okay, try to bring this in. Let's see if I can push it here. Okay, so I can actually do this. Okay, it's not coming, so I'll just leave it at that. Then delete the 0.00 from it. Then I'll come back to my design, pick my border style. When we go through that process, So step by step, you also do say. So you can have different designs. It all depends on how you go about it. So just pick it and work on it. So we move and move. So step by step, column by column, row by row, then we can get this done. So I'll need to do it for this, for all the columns. Then I'll do that for the row. So I want you to design something entirely different. With different colors depending on the school that you are developing the system for. Okay. Then I'll come and do my fill color, my gray. Then I go to my home tab, come and fill it with gray. Go to my layout. Probably I'll do this. Let it sit on it. Then I'll come and center this. Yeah. So it is as simple as A, B, C. So I think I've left something. Let me view grid lines. Okay, so there is one extra space. So I need to go back up and pick my IT training services. So there's a template. So you just come in here to change it for the school that you are working with or working for. So I make this 14. Good. So that's a transcript of what academic record. And if you want, you can even include a watermark. So once there's a watermark in it, the school's crest is there. Then you can do a Control-C to copy this. Then you bring it down here. Do Control-V to paste. Then you drag it down. So this is academic office, head teacher's office, academic office. So whoever is responsible will just sign for the student. Yeah. So I think this is okay. I'm going to drawing tools, rotate, more rotation options. Okay, we don't need this. So this is it. Nice and easy. So we have our terminal report and our cumulative record. So we have, when you print in, you have front and back. Good. So that pretty much solves our terminal and cumulative record design. So have fun and try to create one for yourself. So I think I'm done. I will save this. How many minutes we've gone into this? That's about 15 minutes. So we finished with the cumulative record design. So you should have 2 pages. It's as simple as that. Then you can do a water, maybe a footer where you put your details there as a developer of the system. So it's as simple as A, B, C. Okay. So see you in the next lesson.